This is the Silk Road Economic Belt Central Region. The so-called Belt and Road is the Silk Road Economic Belt and the 21st Century Ocean Silk Road. The central region of Silk Road Economic Belt is Korla, more accurately located at the 27th Division of the Bingtuan, in English, Xinjiang Production and Construction Corps, where our project is located. Going west from Korla, we will pass Kucha, Aksu, Kashgar, and then arrive in a border port called Punjab. However, Punjab is not an ideal place for building a free trade region, since it is 4,733 meters above the sea level and covered by the snow all year around. Passing Punjab, we will enter Pakistan. This area is called China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and it can also be called China-Pakistan Economic Belt. Now, there already exists a railroad called China-Pakistan Railroad. At the moment, we are building the China-Pakistan high-speed railroad and compatible highways. Crossing the whole territory of Pakistan, we will arrive at the port of Gwadar. What is the strategic value of the port of Gwadar? Previously, the oil from any parts of the Middle East traveled all the way down in the sea and past the Strait of Malacca, which is controlled by Singapore, actually controlled by the United States. Passing the Strait of Malacca, oil goes to mainland China via Fujian province or Shanghai. The sea road is too long and especially controlled by the United States. The port of Gwadar was put in operation since December 13th of 2016. With that, China's oil purchased from the Middle East directly go to the port of Gwadar by shortening its sea road distance by 85% and avoiding the United States control. The oil will be entered Xinjiang, China via oil pipeline. This is not just an oil problem. All the goods arrived in the port of Gwadar can be transported to China via the China-Pakistan high-speed railroad and highways. Punjab is too high in elevation, and Kashgar does not have enough water. Therefore, the nearest best location for Silk Road Economic Belt Central Region is Korla, China's key projects. With that, Korla of Xinjiang will become the trading center for Central Asia, Europe, Middle East, and China. This is the significant value of the region. Regarding to the port of Gwadar, let's explain more. Why it was not put in operation for many years. Singapore bought out the port of Gwadar many years ago, but did not build any infrastructure. Therefore, after buying back the port of Gwadar, Pakistan asked China to invest and together put the port in operation. Once the port of Gwadar is in operation, the United States' 60 years of control on the Strait of Malacca will no longer have any value, and all will be controlled by China. This is very important.